Hi everybody, we're here at John Sadler's Auto Repair. And today we have a 2014, it's a Toyota Highlander, it's a 3.5 liter engine. It's got 92,000 miles on it. Customer's concerned. Last few months she starts up in the morning and makes a rattling sound. And it just started a few months ago and she's not happy about it. So she's always got serviced by the dealer because she has an extended service, I think for 100,000 miles. So she took it there, they listened to it, they kept it overnight, and they can't find anything wrong with it. And so she asked for a second opinion from me. So the first thing we're going to do is check the oil level. And we've let it sit overnight inside the shop. And so we're going to pull the oil stick out, wipe it off, pull it back out again. And the oil level is supposed to be on this dot here. And it's almost one full quart over full with oil, and it's the same on both sides. So it's got a quart too much oil in it. I know that that's not correct. So she said they just serviced it a few weeks ago, so that's something she can take up with them. Now I'm going to put the camera close to the front of the engine here, then go start it, and let's see if we can hear a noise. So we'll bring the camera up here and we'll tilt it down towards the front of the motor and let's see what we get. Okay, when it first fires up, there's just that little rattling sound. She said never used to do it before. I'll look for any technical service bulletins. Usually these motors, you get a little, possibly a timing chain noise or a valve train rattle a little bit as they get more mileage. Just overall, I'll bring the camera back over here. It sounds a little bit louder than normal. So it's starting to quiet down a little more now. So more than likely it's got some valve train things going on when it's first closed to build up oil pressure in the top end of the motor. We'll refer it back to the dealer, let them hear this sound, and then we'll just kind of take it from there, see what they want to do about it. And thank you very much.